Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the DJI Osmo Mobile 4. So for further ado, further talking, let's get started. Okay, there we have it. The DJI Osmo Mobile 4. To be honest, this is not a mobile 4, but it's a mobile 3, but there are things which they are a little bit less discussed about it. I thought that we should just discuss about it because there are minor upgrades from the DJI Osmo or OM4, which is the short form. They figured it out right now. So right now, as you can see guys, let me just unbox it so as I can remove it from its packaging. So as you can see, so I won't talk about how much it comes with everything, but I'll talk about the pros and the cons. So let's get started. Now, as you can see guys, this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. To be honest, there's quite minor difference with the Mobile 4, DJI Osmo Mobile 4, just some like the magnetic clipping and some more functionality upgrades, which I think to my own kind of aspect, they could just update this hardware with software wise. It could be more worth it, but they thought that let's do some game change here. I understand how much tech it is, but to be honest, I find it like it's beyond their time. Like I don't know, but it's beyond their time. Let's be honest. You see, the thing about the DJI Osmo Mobile 3, it's a really well designed gimbal to be helping you out throughout the smoothness of your shots, and I find it's just so incredible smoothly getting your shots there and giving you all those kind of features it has, and there's just minor comparison. Now let's put it heads to heads. As you can see guys, heads to heads, it's all looking alike. There's just no difference here, especially when it comes to its own body. I find it's just the same. It's like they just remove this kind of holder and they try to replace it with a magnet. I understand we are trying to solve a problem. Usually things they're supposed to be this way, and sometimes things they're supposed to not be this way. Just we all know that. But the only thing which I think to my own kind of aspect, since I didn't just have the hands on the DJI Osmo Mobile 4, so my things which I had in mind is just that how strong is that magnetic, because I saw this video on moment they released their first video. I guess it's the first one, popping out to my notification that the DJI Osmo Mobile 4 it's here, the OM4. So I told the moments that how capable of holding the phone, how things they are. You know, if it's a magnet, you're slapping it here. Just remember guys, sometimes you are shooting your video right with your gimbal, you're out there out of the world, you're not like inside somewhere, so somebody might pass you somewhere and you know slip a little bit. If it slips, how strong is that magnet compared to the holder, which I give it 100% without no problem? Because sometimes I'm shooting outdoor, I'm clipping it somewhere using a tripod, and I'm so confident that I'm leaving it somewhere without me thinking that somebody might do something crazy. You see, like things do happen here and then, but the only main core thing we are looking upon a best tech upgrade, but a little bit more worth it, because sometimes I don't want to get that kind of damage, but I just want to get that kind of great and amazing shot or things they're supposed to be happening. I understand things they're supposed to happen sometimes in a different kind of perspective, but to be honest, I think DJI Osmo Mobile 4 is not that much worth upgrading than using the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So if you're having an Osmo Mobile 3, to be honest, just stick with it, because still all those kind of new features they upgraded, I guess DJI should supposed to upgrade this kind of Osmo Mobile 3 with updates, instead of you purchasing another kind of tech whereby this one you leave it behind or you give it to somebody as a gift. But to be honest, I think DJI is kind of messed up on here, and a little bit frustrating to me. I don't know about you guys, but to me, I'm finding it like it's beyond time, because you ask yourself, oh, there's a zoom dolly, there's a certain feature they added. You see, all those things you can do with this bad boy is just a matter of your creativity to think out of the box. Another kind of stuff which I'm supposed to cover on here, so as some of you guys can get things clear. You see, the thing about this DJI Osmo Mobile 3, this is not like the DJI Osmo which has a camera built in. This is just a gimbal which can hold your phone. Remember guys, your phone is the one which improves the camera side. It's not about the gimbal, how much it performs. It's your phone. If your phone has a terrible camera, don't expect that this thing can increase those kind of features on your camera side, because if your phone has a terrible camera, you will get terrible footage. That's my perspective on the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 and even 4. So I guess the 4 one, it's worth an upgrade if you want to, but for the 3, I can tell you still you can stick around with it and make things unleashing to be really kind of great things. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the DJI Osmo Mobile 4 and especially 3 too. If you have it, what do you think? Is it worth it for you to upgrade, or you're like, man, I'll never do that, I'll just stick around with my Mobile 3? New here, consider subscribing, because a lot of you guys ain't subscribed yet who are watching this video. So subscribe to your homeboy here, it would be so awesome. And last but not least, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and kudos. Peace.